Welcome, my beautiful soul. Today we are diving into the transformative power of intention setting. Setting intentions isn't just about wishing for something, it's about planting seeds of focus, purpose, and alignment in the fertile soil of your mind and heart. Whether you're looking to attract love, success, health, or inner peace, this practice will help you align your energy with your deepest desires. So let's take this time together to create clarity and set powerful intentions for the life you want to manifest. Grab a notebook or simply find a comfortable space where you can relax and focus. Let's begin. Let's start by exploring what intentions are and how they differ from goals. Intentions are not about achieving specific outcomes. They're about the energy and purpose you want to bring into your life. While goals might focus on getting a new job or running a marathon, intentions focus on the feelings and values behind these goals, like confidence, determination, or joy. When you set an intention, you're aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your higher self. Intentions are powerful because they shift your mindset and energy, creating a foundation for transformation. For example, setting an intention like, I choose to live with gratitude and abundance, helps you see opportunities and blessings in your daily life. When your intentions are clear, the universe responds. You'll notice synchronicities, new opportunities, and a deeper connection to your purpose. Now that we understand what intentions are, let's dive into how to set them. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Reflect and gain clarity. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly want. What are your deepest desires? What do you want to feel, experience, or create? Write these down. Use the present tense as if it's already happening. For example, instead of saying, I want to feel confident, write, I am confident and radiant. So write in the present tense. Let's take a few minutes now to do this. I'll give you 3 minutes. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video and resume when you're ready. Step 2. Infuse your intentions with emotion. The secret to powerful intentions is emotion. Imagine how it will feel when your intention becomes your reality. Visualize it vividly. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Let your heart and mind connect to this vision. Step 3, release attachment. This step can be the hardest, but it's crucial. Release your attachment to how and when your intention will manifest. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Focus on the process, not just the outcome. Let's take a moment to set an intention together. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Pause the video if you need to for a moment. Okay, now let's close our eyes if you feel comfortable. Take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Okay, great. Let's do this one more time. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Very good. Okay, let's begin. Imagine a soft, glowing light at the center of your chest. This light represents your intention. See it glowing brighter with each breath. Now, bring to mind the intention you want to set. Picture it as clearly as you can. Feel the emotion behind it. What does it feel like to live this intention? Do you feel joy, peace, abundance? Let those feelings fill your heart. Repeat silently or aloud. I am aligned. I am worthy. I am manifesting my desires. Now breathe deeply and let this affirmation sink into your mind and body. Visualize this intention radiating out into the universe, carried by your energy. You are planting a seed. Trust that it will grow. Setting intentions is a powerful first step. Maintaining them is where the magic happens. Here are some tips to help you stay aligned. Create a daily ritual. Start your day by revisiting your intention or intentions. Say them aloud or write them down in a journal. This keeps it fresh in your mind and in your heart. Another tip would be use affirmations. Affirmations are a real powerful way to reinforce your intentions. For example, if your intention is to live with confidence, repeat affirmations like, I am confident in everything I do. There are several affirmation videos over on the channel if you want to go check them out. The next tip would be to stay adaptable. Life changes, and so can your intentions. Check in with yourself regularly to see if your intentions still align with your current path. Adjust as needed. And don't forget, celebrate your small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate the small ways your intentions are manifesting. Gratitude amplifies the energy of abundance. As we come to the end of this practice, take a moment, reflect on the power of the intentions you've set today. By choosing to align your energy with your deepest desires, you are creating a life of purpose, clarity, and abundance. Trust the process. Trust yourself. The universe is always listening. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Keep setting intentions, keep believing, and watch your dreams unfold. Until next time, stay aligned, stay abundant, and stay radiant, my friend. If you found this video helpful or it resonated in any way, please give it a thumbs up so it gets shown to more people around the world in need of our help. Feel free to share it as well with someone you think could benefit from it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for more guidance on manifestation and spiritual growth. Our channel releases a video every day. They are designed to help you live your best life. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. Thank you for coming back. May you all be blessed tenfold for the support that you give this channel. Together, let's create a community of clarity, abundance, love, and light. But for now, I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next video.